Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and looking for a way to build a steady stream of income? What if I told you there's a way to turn properties, even ones you don't own, into a profitable business? Today, I'll show you exactly how to start your very own Airbnb business in 2024 and 2025. Whether you're a beginner or looking to scale up, this step-by-step guide is all you need to get started. Hey there, welcome back to the channel where we empower aspiring entrepreneurs like you to create financial freedom. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting and lucrative world of Airbnb. The short-term rental industry is booming, and 2024 to 2025 is the perfect time to jump in. I'll walk you through everything, from setting up your Airbnb business to tips for success. Stick around to the end because I'm sharing key strategies to avoid common pitfalls. The global demand for short-term rentals is skyrocketing. People are traveling more for leisure and work, and they're seeking unique, affordable stays rather than generic hotels. Airbnb hosts earned over $60 billion in 2023, and this number is expected to grow. You don't need to own property to get started. With strategies like rental arbitrage and co-hosting, you can launch your business with minimal upfront investment. The first step is understanding your local market. What are people looking for? Is it luxury stays, family-friendly homes, or budget options? Use Airbnb's website to scout your area and identify trends. Do you own a property? Great, you can list it directly. If not, consider, do you own a property? Great, you can list it directly. If not, consider rental arbitrage. Rent a property, get landlord permission, and sublease it on Airbnb. Co-hosting. Partner with property owners and manage their listings for a fee. Property management. Handle operations for existing Airbnb hosts. Your listing is your shop window. Invest in professional photos, write a compelling description, and highlight unique features. For example, does your property have a scenic view or family-friendly amenities? Showcase them. Airbnb's search algorithm loves hosts who get good reviews. Respond quickly to inquiries, maintain a high cleanliness standard, and offer competitive pricing. Use keywords like cozy downtown apartment or luxury villa with pool in your title. The key to long-term success is happy guests. A small welcome gift or handwritten note goes a long way in making your property memorable. Budget wisely. Calculate costs, including rent, utilities, cleaning fees, and Airbnb's commission. Aim for at least 20 to 30% profit margins per booking. Understand legal requirements. Check local regulations for short-term rentals. You may need permits, licenses, or insurance. Tax planning. Keep track of income and expenses. Use accounting software to stay organized and consult a tax professional to maximize deductions. Automate operations. Use tools like Smart or Hostfully to automate guest communication, pricing, and scheduling. Build a team. Hire a cleaning service and possibly a virtual assistant to handle guest inquiries. Expand strategically. Once your first property is profitable, reinvest in scaling. Look for properties in emerging tourist hotspots or partner with other property owners. Don't underestimate costs. Always have a financial cushion. Never compromise on cleanliness. A single bad review can hurt your ranking. Avoid vague communication. Always be clear and prompt with your guests. If you're ready to start your Airbnb journey, hit that like button and subscribe for more actionable tips. And drop your questions in the comments. I'd love to help you out.